Okay, here's the last challenge and why I'm saying the death of machine learning and data science. In the previous video, we have seen one of the challenge that the quality of data is really important once we use it behind the machine learning model. Now imagine, let's see the other aspect of the same diagram, that if we want to fix these errors, because if we are not fixing these errors, the next day we're going to have more data, because data is going to flow to our data storage on daily basis, right? And sometime it can be from 1 GB to 1 terabyte or even more. It really depends upon the business, right? So if it keep coming with the errors, so that means we're going to have more and more errors in our data sets. And that will impact on our final layer, semantic layer. In some term, we called it semantic layer. Let me give it a name for a better understanding. Now, if that semantic layer is going to be corrupted with the error data, and now imagine you have this data collected from, let's say, last 10 years, it's almost impossible to generate any value out of this data, because nobody has any clue what is happening in this space, how this data has been collected. Yeah, you can get some of the value out of this data, but imagine what's the point of using that data. And that is a real challenge in modern time, and many of the organizations, they are struggling with this challenge. And that's why most of the time of the machine learning engineers or data scientists, they spend their time to work on this part instead of this. And let me put that famous equation that New York Times mentioned. 80% of data scientist time has been consumed in here. So now that's where the whole machine learning world or data science world is heading towards its death. And if we won't pay proper attention, if we won't have a proper process, if we won't have a proper strategy to handle or manage the data, it's going to be very hard to manage the data platform. Or let me put this way, we are unable to convert our organization into data-driven organization. So hopefully you guys will understand the whole concept behind these videos. And now that's the challenge. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you practically what we have seen in here. And then we'll move towards this solution, that how we can solve these challenges. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.